Hello, I'm back again, and this is second episode about Car Town car reviews. Today we will buy a Ford Mustang Race Edition 2012. I really like it. It looks nice. It unlocks at GV level 10, so it's not available for everyone. It's available in gold coins, and that's nice. And we'll buy one. Okay, so let's put it here. Wow, it gives a huge amount of XP. This is my first Ford, so let's check it out. Wow, it's I think it's fully custom. Oh shit, it's not fully customizable, but you can change graphics and paint. I like this graphic, and I think I won't change it. There is just one problem about this car. Tires are a bit of unrealistic. Look at this over here. I mean, it's like someone painted this car, and these wheels, this shine over here, it gives a stupid look to this car, but okay, I mean, it's something new, and okay, I mean, I'm not the best, so I like it. Never mind, body is not available. To change, performance is available. You can customize, you can upgrade it, and you'll get about 1200 horsepower. So it's good. It's very good, and you can add neons, but that is stupid because this is race car, not street race car. So let's just check it out from other angles. And yes, wow, it looks nice, real Mustang. So guys, this would be everything for this episode. I'll make news soon. It will be about Pandora 1. It's new. It's not new car, but it's now in stock, and there is no limited number of these cars. It's in stock for long, and that's all for this episode. Subscribe, rate, comment, thumbs up, and see ya.